If you're nearing retirement or already retired, understanding the smartest withdrawal strategies for your savings is crucial to ensuring your wealth lasts for the long haul. It's not just about withdrawing your money, it's about doing it in a way that minimizes taxes, avoids penalties, and helps you maintain a steady income without depleting your savings too quickly. In this video, I'll show you the best withdrawal strategies for retirees, and by the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to maximize your retirement funds while protecting your wealth. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. It's an important step that could make all the difference in the security of your future. Let's start with the most common withdrawal strategy retirees use, the 4% rule. This rule suggests you can safely withdraw 4% of your savings per year without running the risk of running out of money. While it's a good starting point, it isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. The market fluctuates, your personal expenses change, and inflation can erode the value of your withdrawals. So, sticking to this rule might not always work out as expected, especially for those relying on fixed income sources or with large amounts in savings. When managing your withdrawals, you must take into account the tax impact. Many retirees find themselves caught off guard when they withdraw money from tax-deferred accounts like IRAs or 401ks. Withdrawals from these accounts are taxed as ordinary income, so if you're not careful, you could end up paying a lot more than expected. To manage this, it's smart to think about how much you'll withdraw from tax-deferred accounts versus taxable accounts, and you might want to consider spreading withdrawals across multiple sources to avoid bumping yourself into a higher tax bracket. One option to consider for avoiding taxes and protecting your wealth is investing in a gold IRA. A gold IRA can be a game changer for retirees because it allows you to grow your retirement savings in a tax-advantaged account while diversifying away from the volatility of traditional stocks and bonds. Gold tends to hold its value over time, especially when other markets are unpredictable, making it an ideal asset to include in your retirement planning. If you want to learn more about how gold IRAs work and why they're becoming a preferred choice for so many American retirees, I encourage you to grab your free guide in the description. Now, let's talk about another popular strategy, the bucket strategy. This strategy divides your savings into 3 buckets based on when you'll need the money. The first bucket is for short-term needs, where you can keep cash and low-risk investments for the first 5 years of retirement. The second bucket is for medium-term needs, with investments that may carry a bit more risk but will give you a higher return. The third bucket is for long-term growth and is usually made up of riskier assets like stocks. This strategy can help you manage risk by ensuring you have enough cash flow for your immediate needs while allowing your investments to grow over time. Another strategy that works well for many retirees is the systematic withdrawal method, which involves setting a fixed monthly or quarterly amount to withdraw from your savings. This method can give you a predictable income stream, but be cautious of how you set the amount. It's important to adjust your withdrawals as your expenses and lifestyle change over time. If you're looking for a more hands-off strategy, annuities are another option. An annuity can provide you with a guaranteed income stream for life, helping to ensure you don't run out of money in retirement. While annuities provide peace of mind, they come with high fees and may not offer the best return on your investment compared to other options. But here's the thing. No matter what withdrawal strategy you choose, you should always be considering how you can protect your wealth for the long term. Gold IRAs are an excellent way to do that. In fact, many retirees are shifting towards gold IRAs to avoid the risks that come with traditional withdrawals and asset management. Gold provides a hedge against inflation and market crashes, ensuring that your wealth remains protected. If you're serious about securing your future, especially if you have over $100K in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million or more in savings, click that link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide today. It could be the decision that makes the difference between running out of money and keeping your wealth growing. To wrap things up, smart withdrawals are all about balancing your immediate needs with your long-term goals. Whether you're using the 4% rule, the bucket strategy, or considering gold IRAs, the key is to be strategic and adaptable. Diversify your sources of income, minimize tax exposure, and always keep an eye on the long-term picture. Don't leave your retirement to chance. Take control of your future today.